Welcome to Santiago Canyon College and Santa Ana College. This tutorial will show you how to access the Test of English Language Development TELD exam. This exam was designed to place non-native speakers of English into credit ESL programs at Santa Ana College and Santiago Canyon College. This test includes 75 multiple choice questions and you will have 45 minutes to complete it. This course placement will place you into American College English, our ACE program for SCC, English for Multilingual Students, EMLS, for SAC. Now let's get started. Use Chrome as your internet web browser and have a webcam and microphone on the computer you use to take this exam. Check your email. You will receive an email from RSCCD Instructure Canvas with a course invitation to the TELD. To get started, you will need to log on to Canvas using your WebAdvisor ID and password. You will accept the user policies and agree, submit, then you will be asked if you want to join the TELD as a student and you're going to accept. Next, you will select TELD on your dashboard. The home page will populate and there's important information you need to know about the exam. The most important thing that you need to do is download the Proctorio Chrome extension. We use Proctorio as the system to proctor this exam. In order for you to take it, you have to have that set up in your computer. To set that up, select Secure Exam Proctor, Proctorio. On your Canvas site, you will have the Proctorio Chrome extension. It has 3 steps. You are already using Google Chrome, so it should have one as done. The next step is for you to install the Chrome extension, so you're going to click on that link that is provided for you on the Canvas site. Once you click on that, it will populate another window where you're going to be able to download and install the extension. Click on that link. The next thing that populates is add to Chrome. You're going to click and add that extension, and you're going to allow that extension. Once those steps are done, all of these should be green and you are ready to take the TELD. Go back to the Canvas page, and what you will see on your left-hand side is you will no longer see that Proctorio Secure Site tab. That means that you have installed it. Click on Quizzes. You will see the quiz that is available to you to take the TELD. There is no due date on this exam. There's 75 points, 78 questions, and you have 45 minutes to take it. You only have one chance to take this test. Click Take Quiz. If you see a red box, that means that the Chrome extension is still not on your computer and you will have to follow those instructions again. If you click on Take Quiz, it will not allow you to take the exam until you download the Proctorio extension. If you downloaded the Proctorio extension correctly, you will see before you begin instructions on how to access the TELD. There are a couple things that you need to know. You have to close all the browser tabs and windows that are open. If you click on that link, that will do that automatically for you. The other thing is you will not be allowed to have more than one monitor. So if you have trouble on disabling the monitors, it'll give you instructions on how to do that. There are 2 forms of identification that are needed to take the TELD. The first one is a photo ID. You need to make sure that you show it so that the system can take a picture of it, and then you will also have to take a picture for this exam. During the exam, on the left-hand side, you will see this quiz toolbox while you're taking the exam. If for any reason you have any questions, you can click on this link and then you will be able to chat with somebody from Proctorio. You will receive your ACE EMLS course placement recommendations via email within 3 to 5 business days. Thank you so much for viewing this short tutorial on how to take the TELD exam.